The computer application course exposes students to various application software tools that are to be used in a business. Now, I've learned a lot about the software like Excel, Microsoft Access, Microsoft PowerPoint, how to use them and what they are used for. Also, email. I've learned a few settings in email and how to manage my inbox. In my portfolio, you are expected to see some of the things that I've learned during this course and how I use them and how they can make your life easier. How to set up an email account. Firstly, you have to go on Google and type in email account, sign up. Then you click the first link and it will take you to fill out a couple questions like a basic information about your gender and birth date, to fill out your name. It will give you options to choose email that it created for you, or you can create your own email address. Next, it will to clarify whether you're a robot or a human. You will be asked to put in your phone number. Then you have to create a password and you have to confirm that password to make sure that it matches. Then it will give you a review information like the email address that you chose and the recovery phone number to sign into your email account. How to set up signature in Gmail. So you will have to go to settings in Gmail. So this is one, and you will have an option that says signature. You can put in your necessary information here. For example, if you have a business email, you can put your business address in that signature, your name, your position at the business. You can bold your information, italize it, underline it, put different fonts on it. You can even put it in the middle and so on. Then you click Save Changes and it will automatically be in the body of your email when you go to send an email. So if you want to send an email, this will already be there. Settings every user must know, like the maximize page size. This allows you to put any amount of emails that may come into your account. 50, 100, 150, and so on. Send and archive, sorry. You choose and the email will go in your send and archive label and so on. The undo send. You can click how long. When you send a message, there's a message that pop up on the left hand corner of your screen that says undo send message for 5 seconds, 30 seconds, or so on. You can change it to how long you want it to pop up there. How to create a Gmail background. So you go to settings and they will show up, a drop down will show up. You go and you look for themes and different background settings will show up. Like the checkers, if you want your background to have checkers, or the caterpillar, or this rainbow picture, or the page picture, you can click anyone and it will show up. How to create an email contact. So when you go to email, there's an option where you can look for email, therefore calendars, contacts, and so on. You click on contacts and you go to create contact. Then this drop down will show up and you add in the necessary information. Then you click save. It will automatically save in your contacts. Also, using contacts, you can create labels and put your contacts in those in labels. So right here you see I have a classmates label. These 5% are in this label. And labels are used, it can be used to make your life easier. So for example, if I want to send, so example, instead of having to send an email to each of these person individually, I can just send the email to this classmate group and it will send to all of them because all of these 5% are in this label or group. So like I said, when I compose my email, I will just, to the recipient, I will just put classmates and all the person in that label or group will show up, and I just type whatever message I want to send to them here and press send, and all of them will get the email. Presentation package, also known as Microsoft PowerPoint. So this snippet is just showing how to use Slide Master. Slide Master is found under the View tab. You can use Slide Master to customize your layout. So in this case, this layout, if we want to add a background to this layout, and if we were to use this layout multiple times throughout our presentation, this layout, whenever I use this layout, the background will only apply on this layout. If I add a specific font color on this layout, whenever I use this layout, a specific color font will always show up on this layout anytime I use it throughout my presentation. To exit, you just press this X button right here, close master view. How to use transitions in PowerPoint. So using transitions, it makes your PowerPoint flow. You have different transition right here. So if you click one of these, they will show like when you click to the next page, it will show like this or that, whichever one you choose. You can also use animations on text or images in PowerPoint. So if I want to animate this word right here, I can use a fade animation, a flying animation, a split animation, and whichever animation I use will apply to this text. Same goes with this image. Whatever animation I use on this image, it will apply on this image. Layouts. So there are different types of layouts in PowerPoint. Title and body, section header, title only, title and two columns, title only, and so on. So if you want to just use title for the presentation, you just click whatever you like. PowerPoint design. So you can insert tables, pictures, shapes, and so on. You can also add background pictures to these. Changing page background color. So there, under the design tab, you can choose whether you want a format background to format your background page, right? So you will click color and the drop down will show up and you will choose whatever color you like. When you open Microsoft Publisher, you will be taken multiple templates, or you can create your own. These templates you can use as a guide to create whatever you like, whether it's about the card, a cover page, or so on. I created a Christmas card using Microsoft Publisher, using different stuff like a text box. I inserted pictures from the internet and I changed font colors. Also, in the insert, you can add more stuff like tables, shapes, and so on, but I did not use those. Now, in my previous picture, I had my background for my Christmas card was white, and now it's transparent. So, to do this, you go on the picture, you click on the picture that you want to look transparent, and you go on the picture format, and then there will be an option to recolor. When you pick recolor, there will be a drop down list, and you can choose transparent color, and you use the pen and you click where you want to be transparent, and when I first started this course, transparent. I had high expectation and they were met. I've learned how to use Access, PowerPoint, and Excel. My favorite application tools is PowerPoint. It's very manageable for me. I know how to insert pictures, how to insert bullets, how to insert custom bullets, and customize my PowerPoint environment so it won't look too bawdy. Not too little information, not too much information, just enough. Keeping it calm and easy to follow. Now, if you also ask me would I recommend this course to other students, I will. You can learn a lot and it's very helpful.